welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today we discuss assignment number 10 based on the topic passive and active and passive voice. Okay students, so first bit is change the active voice into passive voice. Before getting into this, we will just have a look on basic rules how to change active into passive. See, rules to interchange active and passive. Okay. Active into passive, identify the object, because you have to identify the object in the given sentence and place it at the beginning of the sentence. Okay, this is very important. Next, identify the tense and decide the suitable be form. Be form is the second point you have to do. First one, identify the object, okay, object and place it in the beginning of the sentence as a subject in passive voice. Second one, you have to identify the tense, okay, identify the tense and decide the suitable be form. This is the second one. The third one is identify the main verb and change it to V3 or past participle. This is the third one, okay. Main verb will be in V3 only, okay, past participle, right. Next, identify the subject in the given sentence and show it as object of the preposition by, with, to, at. Okay? Okay, identify the subject in the passive voice, in the active voice. Okay, and it becomes the object of the preposition in passive voice. Okay, change of pronoun, I, me. Okay, we, us, you, he, him, she, her, okay, and all these etc. They, them, like that, okay, it, like that, right students? So these are the rules. Let us start now. Okay, change the active voice into passive voice. He has given me a book. Okay, he has given me a book. He is a subject. Has given is a verb. Me is the object. A book is also an object. Now here two objects are there. Okay. Me is an indirect object. Okay. A book is a direct object. Now here indirect and direct objects are there. Okay. Now which one is direct object? A book is a direct object. Me is a indirect object. Right. Remember, when person is always in indirect object. Okay students. Remember this, make a note also, okay, that person is always in the indirect object, okay. So, now here we have to change. Now you can take indirect object as a subject, okay, or you can take a book as a subject. Now I will tell you how to change it, right. Now I have taken indirect object as a subject here. Then me will become I, okay, I subject. Have been is my be form. Okay, I has is wrong. I have been, right. I have been. Given is V3. Okay, a book. When two objects are there, one should be retaining object. You should take as it is. Okay, so a book by him is an object of a preposition. Okay students, so once again we will check. I have been given a book by him, right? Or you take a direct object as a subject. So this book is my subject, okay? Then has been is a be form, given is a V3, okay? To me is my object, retaining object. You need to add to. You need to remember this also, very important. When person is a retained object, we have to place preposition before it. To preposition before it. Okay? Right? So preposition by him is my object. Right? Once again I tell you, when person is a retained object, we have to place preposition before it. To preposition before it. Okay. One more thing I'll give you. A book. If a direct object, right students? If a direct object is shown as a subject, if direct object is shown as a subject, okay, in passive voice, the indirect object takes a preposition to. Direct object is this, okay, as a subject in passive voice, shown in passive voice, okay, as a subject, then the indirect object takes to preposition. This is very, very important, okay. When an indirect object is shown as a subject in passive voice, okay, in passive voice, the direct object does not take a preposition. Does not take. Is there any preposition I placed? No. So this won't take. Remember this. When a person you have taken as subject, indirect object is taken as a subject in passive voice, then there will be no preposition. Understand? Otherwise it will be wrong. Understand, students? Very good. Next. They will ask me a question. They is my subject, will is my verb, me is my object. Which object? Indirect object. A question is direct object. Okay, students? Now, I will be asked the question by him. I will be asked the question by him. Or a question will be asked to me by him. Okay, so this is the answer. Next, they made him captain. They made him captain. Now, they is a subject. Made is a verb. Him is an object. Now, what is captain then? Captain is a complement. Okay, because made is, please note down, students. Made is a monotransitive verb. It takes a single object after it. Okay, single object after it. Made is a monotransitive verb and it takes only one object, that is him, immediately after it. Okay, here him is an object and captain is a complement. Captain is a complement. Few words are there. Those words are also I will tell you. Consider. Okay, consider. Right, students? Next is elect, appoint, okay, make, name and find. These are the words, these are the 6 words, 6 words which are monotransitive verbs. Okay, and this all takes complement, right? Okay, and here after the verb, immediately object will place. Okay, immediately object will come, right? So he was made captain, right? Next, she told me a story. Again here, she told, she is subject, told is verb, me is indirect object, a story is direct object. I was told a story by her. Okay, a story was told to me by her. Next, she promised me the moon. The moon was promised to me by her. Okay, she is a subject, my subject, promised is my verb, me is my direct object, the moon is my, indirect object, and this is direct object. The moon was promised to me by her. Okay, I was promised the moon by her. Next, students, with this we have completed our today's session. Meet you in the next assignment. Till then, good luck.